What's up, I'll Pump You Up Nation? Daniel Lemieux with I'llPumpYouUp.com, and today we're going to be looking at Cellucor Beta BCAA Endurance BCAAs. So you have your regular blend of a 2-1-1 ratio of your branched chain amino acids at 5,000 milligrams. So you're getting 2,500 milligrams of leucine, 1,250 milligrams of isoleucine, 1,250 milligrams of valine. The reason why you're getting more leucine is because it has a more important role in protein synthesis, so that repairing of your muscles for muscle growth. With your isoleucine and valine induces glucose uptake into the cells, which will help reduce fatigue. I know you're thinking 5,000 milligrams, man, that's not very much as a BCAA, but this isn't your normal BCAA. I know Scivation Extend's got 7 grams in theirs, but let's not look at this as just solely a BCAA product. You have 3,000 milligrams of citrulline malate at a 2-1 ratio. You're getting 2,000 milligrams of citrulline. That's gonna be a vasodilator, so you're gonna get a better pump. And 1,000 milligrams of malate, which is gonna help soothe your stomach since citrulline tends to upset people's stomach. Now at only 3,000 milligrams, this isn't a very high dosage of citrulline. You get a lot of other pre-workouts or pump products out there that have 6,000 milligrams of citrulline malate, like Redcon 1 Total War. 1,600 milligrams of carnosine beta-alanine. So this carnosine beta-alanine, you see this in MTS Nutrition pre-workout Flash. Now Foods beta-alanine uses the same kind. Beta-alanine will help buffer acid in the muscles, which will increase physical performance. Meaning you're not gonna get that lactic acid buildup, and you're gonna be able to perform those extra couple reps. Beta-alanine can give you that tingly feeling known as paresthesia, but it's not anything to worry about. Let's go into the taste test. Today I'll be tasting Tropical Splash. Pretty foamy, but it seems to mix pretty well. I mix it with 8 ounces of water. Smells like fruit punch or tropical punch. It's like an unsugary Kool-Aid. Unsugary fruit punch Kool-Aid. Unsweetened fruit punch Kool-Aid. So this isn't a pre-workout, so there's no stims, but you're still getting that beta-alanine. So as an intra-workout, this is a perfect supplementation of a BCAA. What I didn't like is on the front of this label, it says 6 grams of citrulline malate, and then really small, it says per 2 scoops. Make sure you guys are reading the back of these labels. Also, this thing, it's like I was making confetti out of the seal. It just kept ripping apart in little pieces, man. Make sure you stab it, rip it open from the inside. Don't try to peel it off. It doesn't come off in one smooth pull. If you found this review helpful, make sure you give it a like, share it, subscribe to I'llPumpYouUp.com. If you're looking for Cellucor Beta BCAA or any other supplements, make sure you stop by I'llPumpYouUp.com, your #1 stop for supplements.